Hello, my name is Ryan Clement and I'm a practicing barrister specialising in employment law. And today we're going to talk about discrimination arising from disability, which is found at section 15 of the Equality Act 2010. And it says this: a person A discriminates against a disabled person B if A treats B unfavourably because of something arising in consequence of B's disability, and A cannot show that a treatment is a proportionate means of achieving a legitimate aim. So what does that mean? Let me explain by giving an example. With direct discrimination, it's fairly straightforward because the claimant is alleging that they were treated less favourably because of their disability. Discrimination arising from disability is less so. So let me give an example. The company We Care Less About Our Workers Limited has a policy that if an employee is off sick for 5 days within a period of 12 months, they are automatically dismissed. Jack the lad had had 5 consecutive Mondays off sick and he was automatically dismissed. His defence was, quote unquote, "I have been having some really good weekends. You should try it too." Josephine Bloggs, aka Jo, suffers from a disability. She was also dismissed when she had 5 days off sick. She appealed against that decision, and she said but for her disability she would not have been off sick. The company accepted her version of the events, but said, quote unquote, "The policy is the policy and it would be unfair to treat you differently to anybody else." It's plain to see that Jo was not treated less favourably because of her disability, but that she was treated unfavourably because of something arising from her disability, being the sick leave. Here you could see how Jo may have a very good case for arguing that she was discriminated against for something that arose out of her disability. The lesson to take away from this example is if an employee has a disability and acts in a way that calls into question their conduct and or performance, the employer needs to be extra cautionary in subjecting that person to disciplinary proceedings. They might well do better to investigate the cause of the behaviour rather than focus solely on the behaviour itself.